Stream which flows from the footsteps of the Shivalik hills under the coverage of pebbles and sand. Under the sediment of pebbles and sand. Next, Terra is the region. Terra is a fertile region which is located between Pakistan and Punjab. The next point, in Pakistan, Punjabi is the major language. Next point, in Pakistan, Punjabi is the major language. In Pakistan, Punjabi is the major language. Pakistan, Punjabi right? Hindi kaadu, Punjabi maatladada. Punjabi is the major language. Next, satellite is the tributary which covers Punjab and Sindhu of Pakistan. Highest dam is the highest dam of is Hema Hirakudu Bakaran, highest dam is Hema. Next, highest dam. Highest paddy produces, highest wheat produces. The highest wheat Godum state is UP. Pachim Bengal is a state which grows, which is the largest among Maharashtra, UP and Rajasthan. Pachim Bengal is the largest UP, Rajasthan and northern states of India. After Pachim Bengal top. Next, Doon is the valley of Doon is the valley of between Shivaliks and footsteps. Shivaliks and footsteps. Dune. Valleys, those are. Next, Purvanchal has states of Arunachal Pradesh. Right, Purvanchal has Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Purvanchal, right, Purvanchal has Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura. Shivaliks are called in Assam Chachar. Shivaliks are next point. Shivaliks are called in Assam Chachar. Next,